Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on your Xbox Series X and making sure it's online. This prevents delays when Epic communicates with Xbox Live. Next, sign into the Xbox profile that's linked to your Fortnite account so changes apply to the right gamer tag. Once done, close Fortnite if it's running. The game reads name changes on launch. If your Epic and Xbox accounts aren't linked, open Xbox Settings and Epic's account page to confirm linkage before proceeding. This avoids mismatched handles later. You'll change your Fortnite name on the Epic Games account website because Xbox uses that display name for Epic-linked users. Sign into Epic in a browser, go to Account then General, find Display Name and type the new name. Make sure it follows character rules and isn't taken. Epic will show errors immediately. Once you confirm, Epic applies the change, and you'll see notes about cooldowns or free name swaps, so read them, because they affect how quickly you can change the name again. You finish by restarting Fortnite on your Xbox Series X. The game queries Epic and should show your new name at the main menu. If the name doesn't update, sign out and back into your Xbox profile, or clear the console cache by holding the power button for 10 seconds and rebooting. Make sure Epic shows the new display name on its website. If it does, but Xbox still shows the old one, unlink and relink the Epic account, and contact Epic support if errors continue, since linkage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.